Good morning everyone. Week 1 topic class 9 chemistry plus branches of the chemistry. Chemistry. Definition of chemistry is based on it is a branch of science in which we study about composition plus structure plus properties and reaction of matter. So we can define chemistry that it is a branch of science in which we study the composition, structure, properties and reaction of matter. Okay, now the chemistry is divided into two main branches. There are many other branches also, but the two main branches. Organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry. Okay, organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is based on compounds which are formed by carbon, hydrogen, means hydrocarbons. Okay, mean to say the carbon is the essential part of these compounds. Inorganic chemistry, compound in which the carbon is not present. Okay, carbon is absent. So it is divided into two main branches. One is the organic chemistry, another is the inorganic chemistry. Now the chemistry is further divided into other branches. Number 1, physical chemistry. Physical chemistry, in which we discuss about the relationship between the composition and physical properties of matter. Composition, it's a relationship between composition plus physical properties of matter. What do you mean by the physical properties? Physical properties? Physical properties like their shape, size and these things. The properties just as the structure of the atoms and formation of molecules, behavior of the gases also. Number 2 is another important branch which is called the biochemistry. Okay, bio mean life, chemistry mean the different structure and composition and chemical reaction of substances. So it is a branch in which we study the structure, composition, and chemical reaction in living organism. These all things in living organism. Okay, just like the synthesis and metabolism of biomolecules, like carbohydrates, these are biomolecules. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, these all. Now the third branch is industrial chemistry. Industrial chemistry, okay, the word indicates that it is related with the industries, mean to say the manufacturing, making the manufacturing of chemical compounds. Manufacturing of chemical compounds on commercial scale. Industry mean on commercial scale. Okay, it is called the industrial chemistry. Mean to say the making of different acid like nitric acid, sulfuric acid, the making of fertilizers, soap, agricultural products, all. Okay, another branch of chemistry deals with radioactive nuclear processes. It's called nuclear chemistry. Nuclear chemistry is a branch which deals with radioactivity, nuclear processes. It includes the chemical effect, absorption of radiation within animals, plants and other materials. Actually, radioactivity, the chemical effects resulting from absorption of radiation. The applications are in the field of medicine, radiotherapy, preservations of food, general and electrical power through nuclear reactors. The other branch is environmental chemistry. Environmental chemistry. It deals with the study about the environment and the effects of human activity. Mean to say a relationship between environment and effects of human activities. Okay, mean to say the environment and human activity means increased carbon dioxide excretion due to pollution, greenhouse, burning fuel, these all. Okay, another branch of chemistry is called analytical chemistry, which relate with the word indicate analysis. Analytical chemistry. The word analyticals come from analysis. Analysis may be the quantitative or it may be qualitative. Composition, quantitative mean the quantity and qualitative analysis mean the quality of the chemical species. Species quality. Is it pure or impure form? And quantity means how much gram is used. Okay, the scope of this branch covers food, water and clinical analysis. Clinical analysis of serum, some fluid, CSF and others also. Okay, thank you very much.